Halloween is over, but here are still the haunted places you can go to. These are the most haunted places in Pampanga that will definitely give you and your friends a good scare. Are you brave enough to visit them? Number 1. Ballet Castilla, a house that is still trapped in the Spanish regime. This is considered to be the oldest house in Florida Blanca, Pampanga. For being a colony of the Spaniards for 333 years, some priceless structures were still left preserved in the country. One of them, as if still trapped in time, is the Ballet Castilla. It is said to be built by Dons Alfredo Infante and Jose, which are now names of the streets in the quaint barangay. Ballet Castilla is a Spanish-style two-story building with a wide balcony, 4 interconnected rooms, an elegant dining area, and a receiving section on the second floor. This house that now lays abandoned is said to be haunted. Locals recount of experiences seeing an old woman countless of times at the balcony. Number 2. Palmintuan Mansion, the ghost of the Tower, Rome. The house was built around the 1890s by spouses Mariano Palmintuan and Valentina Torres for their son Florentino, mayor of Angeles. The house could be accessed through a grand entresuelo from where one climbs a massive stairway of solid Philippine hardwood to reach the landing. The Palmintuan Mansion became the headquarters of the Revolutionary Army under Venancio Concepcion and General Antonio Luna in 1899. Furthermore, it was occupied by General Emilio Aguinaldo, and it was here that the first anniversary of the Philippine independence of his short-lived republic was celebrated. It was bought by the Central Bank of the Philippines in 1981. Then, it was converted into the Museum of Philippine Social History in 2015. Today, it is said that the rooftop tower, which doubles as a veranda, is haunted by the ghost of a young lady who is reported to be seen many times on that area. Number 3. Clark Air Base. War, Death, Blood, and Tears. Topping the list is one of the few deemed to be haunted not just in the Philippines but in the whole world, by the Ghost Hunters International. Kidding you not, this is one of the most infamous places in the country to go ghost hunting. This hospital used to be a place where casualties of World War II and Vietnam War were brought in for medical care. Moreover, Clark Air Base Hospital was one of the most advanced medical facilities in Asia at that time, but now lays abandoned after the Mount Pinatubo eruption of 1991. Clark Air Base has a long, turbulent, and bloody history in the country. It has witnessed the Vietnam War, where wounded and dying American troops were treated. Apparently, the most haunted area in the hospital is the morgue. Many report hearing someone screaming, "Help me, I don't want to die."